Hello everybody. So today I will talk about physics. The topic today is about electric field. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have vector E equals to negative nabla multiplied by V. So about nabla we need to expand like this. So about V multiply this one, and this one. So we have electric field equals to negative So now we need to apply about partial differentiation. So we have V in here. So about this one, that means we need to do first the derivative of the function with respect to s. So we will have this one over s. So we know that s will be variable y just likely the number. So first the derivative of 3sy, we have 3y. First the derivative of this one, you got about 0. Now we do first the derivative of v with respect to y. So this one we have 3x minus 10y. And the last one, we don't have z. That means we have 0. So we put everything in here. So we have the negative, so we have negative 3y. I negative with this one, we have 3x minus 10y. And we put about j. We don't have anything, we put about 0. And that's it, the final answer. Now we can put about x, y, z in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.